ようございます。私は今です。今は5時です。And we are learning Japanese as usual. So it is 20th of February 2021, day 11. Day 11, we are moving forward with you guys. So last time we started lesson number 3 and we looked through some words over here. We didn't learn every single one, because there are quite a lot of words here, so I think that we shall do that, or maybe look through the grammar a little bit to make it different from yesterday. But we shall start firstly with words reviewing. So last 15 words. So let's have a look. The first one is kisaten or cafe shop. Yep. We have ginko or bank. Ginko or bank. Okay, that's right. Ginko. We have yubinkyo. Yubinkyo, which is bank. Yubinkyo. Okay, that's working. Yubinkyo. Then we got toshokan. Toshokan, which is library. So we have ongaku, music. Ongaku. Asago han, which is breakfast. Hirogohan, which is lunch, and bangohan, which is supper. Okay, osake, which is alcohol. Ocha, tea. Zashi, which is newspaper. Not newspaper, magazine. Ashita, tomorrow. Kyo, today. And konban, tonight. This last one, mizu, water. Okay, so let's try to make that and see how is it going. Let's see how is it going. So today is kyo. And the kanji, the first one is this, and I don't remember something else. Yeah, like this, and it's kyo. Music, ongaku. So first the kanjis are there's this and there's one more. This and one more. I don't remember. How's this one? Okay, so then bank, ginko. We have what do we have? This one and this one. Okay, ginko and zashi, which is magazine. Zashi. Okay, so let's have a look. Zashi magazine. Zashi. There's this one and this one. Okay, zashi. So we have hirogohan, lunch. Yeah, it is lunch. Asagohan, breakfast. Toshokan, library, and bangohan, dinner. So tonight we have onban, water, mizu, post office, yubinkyo, ku, and tea or cha. True, false. Tomorrow, ashita. True. Coffee shop, kisaten, alcohol. True. And my god, what's wrong with me? This is tea. So I wasn't right, unfortunately. Okay, let's return to the book. So what shall we do today? Let me see. Let's quickly glance at the grammar that we have in this lesson, and maybe then we'll return to the words of time, like morning, tomorrow, and so on. Some of those we have already learned. Anyway, Okay, just let's glance at the grammar. So verb conjugation. Okay, verb in Japanese conjugate or take various shapes. In this lesson we learn three forms: the dictionary form, the present tense affirmative forms, and present present tense negative form. There are two kinds of verbs that follow regular conjugation patterns, and the example of each is below. Okay, so we have ru verb and u verb. So ru verb, verbs that are ending on ru, and u verb, verbs that are ending on u. Okay, so the example, we have verb base, which is tabe, and here we have verb base ik. So taberu, iku, taberu. Dictionary form. Okay, it's like in dictionary, like base form probably. To eat, taberu, to eat, and iku, to go. This one we already know, iku. And present affirmative, tabemas, tabemasen, ikimas, ikimasen. So mas is like I'm eating. Tabemasen, I'm not eating. Here is the same. I go, I don't go. Ikimasu, ikimasen. So why do we change it into ki? Here we have ku. We change it into ki. Here we just delete ru. Let's read. Taberu belongs to the group of verbs called ru verbs. Ru verbs are so called because you add the suffix ru to the verb base, tabe form. The two long forms we learn add the suffix mas, masen instead of ru. Okay, you just delete mas or masen. So if you eat, you say tabemas, masen. We learn 4 ru verbs in this lesson. I'm sorry. So tabemas something neru. I don't know it yet. Haven't. I'll learn it. Miru. Probably we should look through the words before. And add the examples. Nemas, nekimas, and okay. Nejimash group of verbs is called the u verbs. The dictionary form of an u verbs like iku can be broken down into the base ik and the suffix u. The long form ikimas and ikimasen, then a form with the base suffix imas, masen. In u verbs conjugation you can find letters shifting in the same group for hiragana chart. In iku, ku and ki, ka chart, nomu has no has mu and mi, pose in ma, ru, and so forth. So you change this into the same but with i. So ku becomes ki, ma becomes mi, and so on. Probably. Let's add it into the rules, our rules. Okay. So okay, lots of pictures we got. Let's okay. How shall we write it? Let's make it for us to be able to see. So let's write like this. Verb. Oh, why is it so small? Verbs in Japanese. Okay. Let's make it all types in Roman and a little bit bigger. So we have different types of verbs. I want to make it like this. So there are u verb and there is ru verbs. Japanese. Okay, like this. Ru verbs, u verbs. add some example. Yeah, let's add an example here. So ru verb like taberu. We need to change this into hiragana. Taberu. Taberu. Okay, fine. And we will highlight the ru verbs. And iku. Here we have iku here as an example of u verbs. Iku, which is to go. But where is the kanji? I want iku. Let's write maybe ikimasu. 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 Oh, yeah, there you go. But then change it into ku. And I need to make it. Okay, so u verbs and ru verbs. And let's write. Let's make a rule. To what shall we write? Let's make it like to conjugate the. We need to change. Always forgot about this. To conjugate the verbs, we simply add suffixes. Is suffix here? Suffixes. We will write it later because I don't want to change it right now. Masu and masen, yeah. For affirmative, for present affirmative, affirmative, and for present negative. And let's I wanted it be like this, yeah, and here as well. So let's add suffixes mas and masen, and let's make the example. Let's make an example. Oh my god, so big. No, what have we done? Oh, I see. Okay, so let's have an example. Taberu, tabemasu. Taberu, to eat. Oh, we will make tabemasu and tabemasen. Yeah, I should have done it here. Yeah, so this one is just to eat. To eat. Like I eat, or like this, that shows it is positive, and like I don't eat, like negative. Okay, and let's move on to conjugate the u verbs. The u verbs, we change the last kana into i kana. Let's write it like this. I kana, I'm maybe not sure, but of the same column. The same column. And examples. And add like suffixes for present. Then is the same. So we have iku, then we have ikimasu, ikimasu. But I don't want it to be like this. I want it to be like this. And ikimasen. So to go this problem of having so much different languages on your in your keyboard. I have 5 of them. Iku to go. Ikimasu. I go. Maybe well, okay, but we should understand that it's not only I. There can be something else like you go. Okay, so don't I go. Maybe it's not the best explanation, but I understand what I writing here. I don't go. Okay, so like and this is it. Okay, so far so good. I understand how does it work. So let's read some. The use of the term dictionary form is by no means restricted to listing in a dictionary. They also appear in various construction in actual sentences. We will learn their uses in later chapters. I think that it's basically infinitive. By the way, is it working? Hopefully it is. Yeah, it is working because I was scared that it is not working. And yeah, everything is great. So we will later. Don't be misled by the names given to the long forms to the present tense. In Japanese can indicate both the present and future. Okay, so we should present slash future. Future. Nice. We to this issue in section 2 below. For the moment, we will concentrate on the form, not the meaning of these verbs. Okay. In addition to the standard negative forms like tabemasen and ikimasen, you may also hear the much more colloquial substandard negative form like tabenai desu, and ikenai desu, used by Japanese speaker. We will briefly come back to this increasingly popular negative form in lesson 8. Okay, so there's more but people than just this for now. This will do. And we have some examples. Nomu, like u verbs. Nomu and nomimasu. Yeah, mu change into me. Yomu change into me. Yomimasen. Hanasu, hanashi. Yeah. So we just basically turn this into i. Yeah. Kaeru, kaerimasu. I understand it. Just change it into the same column of hiragana. But i. In the later lessons, we will have many opportunities to refer to the parts like tabe and iku, iki, which can come before mas and masen in the long forms. For the sake of ease of reference, we will call these parts same as base with stems. In addition to the verbs, there are 2 irregular verbs. 2. We just need to memorize them. So we have suru and kuru. Don't we have kanikyo suru? Yeah. But it's and suru. So because I remember there was another one irregular. Okay, so let's just add. Hopefully it's just 2. So it's not as in English you have like the list of irregular verbs and you need to memorize all of them. So painful. But it adds something to the language, you know. Okay, the irregular verbs. So we have suru and kuru, and they will be suru and shimasen. It just for some reason to turn into she, and kuru becomes kimasen. Okay, I believe I can land this. Suru, no, suru, fine. Shimasen, shimasu, and shimasen. Shimasen, and then we have kuru. By the way, kuru. Oh no, I just was wondering. Kuru, then kimasen. That's easy. It's easy. Is pizza scusi. Is to do and to come, and this one is like I do, and here means I don't do. Okay, просто. Suzanne, kimasu, I come, and I don't come. Fine. So of course we understand that we can skip I here. It's just for us to understand that it's negative and positive form in the present or negative. And there's one more. There's benkyo suru. Let's edit. Why not? We will do like this. Benkyo suru, and it's probably mean to study. I think so. Benkyo suru. Yeah. Benkyo suru. Benkyo shimasu. Benkyo shimasu. Benkyo shimasu. Benkyo shimasen. Oh my god, so long. Let's check. So, if you're not sure, you always need to check. Irregular. Yeah, to study. That's why you can, like, let's write it like this. Yeah, it's much better. Yeah, sure. I like this one. Benkyo shimasu and benkyo shimasen.